How much should you actually spend on an electric bike conversion kit? Some people are thrilled with their budget options, while others are disappointed by the pricier choices. It's really interesting to see how the value stacks up. Product number 1: Pexmo Electric Bike Kit. First up is the Pexmo Electric Bike Conversion Kit. Priced at $179.99, this kit caught my eye with its powerful 1200W brushless motor and sleek design. If you want a simple way to boost your bike's performance, this is worth a serious look. It also includes a versatile pedal assist system, PA, with 4 different riding modes. This is great for those who want to customize their ride, whether you prefer a leisurely trip or need an extra push uphill. Plus, the included LCD display keeps all your riding stats right in front of you, which is super handy. Now, some users have mentioned that the installation can be a bit tricky, especially if you're not tech savvy. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, the performance really shines, making it worth the effort for many riders. This is perfect for you if you're looking to enhance your existing bike without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with DIY setups, but for the price, it offers solid value. Alright, if the installation challenge of the Pexmo gave you pause, the next kit on our list might just be the simpler alternative you're looking for. Product number 2: Bafang Mid-Drive Kit. Next up, we have the Bafang Mid-Drive Kit, priced at $379.99. This one really stands out with its powerful motor options and flexibility in customization. If you want a kit that can adapt to your riding style, this is definitely worth considering. You can choose the motor power that suits your needs, whether it's for steep hills or city commuting. The torque output is impressive too, up to 160 Nm, making those climbs feel much easier. Plus, the display options let you track your performance in real time. However, a few users have pointed out that without the battery, the cost can add up quickly. Here's why that might not be a deal breaker. If you already own a compatible battery, you can tailor your setup without unnecessary extras. This is perfect for you if you love to customize your ride and want a powerful motor. Skip this if you prefer a straightforward, all-in-one package. Given the performance you get, it's a worthwhile investment for serious cyclists. Now, if the customization options of the Bafang don't appeal to you, let's check out another kit that offers a more straightforward experience. Product number 3: Kaxin Electric Bike Kit. Our next contender is the Kaxin Electric Bike Conversion Kit, priced at $169.99. This kit grabbed my attention with its affordable pricing and solid features. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, this one's definitely worth a look. The Kaxin boasts a 1000W gearless hub motor that operates quietly, which is great for those who want a peaceful ride. It also includes a pedal assist sensor that detects your pedaling, so you don't have to rely solely on the throttle. The LCD display is user-friendly and gives you all the essential metrics you need, like speed and battery life. But here's the catch. Some users noted that the installation instructions could be clearer. But honestly, if you follow along with the video tutorials, you should be able to get it up and running without too much hassle. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable conversion kit that won't break the bank. Skip this if you're after high-end features, but for the price, it's a solid option. If the Kaxin's price point caught your attention, you might want to consider our next product, which is all about high performance. Product number 4: Moch Aag Electric Bike Kit. Next is the Moch Aag Electric Bicycle Conversion Kit, retailing for $218.01. This kit is all about efficiency and features, and it really surprised me with its performance. If you want a reliable system for commuting, this could be your best bet. With a 1500W motor, this kit offers an efficiency rate of over 82%, which means you'll get the most out of your rides. The PA sensor helps reduce fatigue, making those longer commutes much more manageable. And with a load capacity of around 330 pounds, it's perfect for a range of riders. The LCD display provides all the essential info you'd need, from battery level to speed. However, a few users did mention that it might be overkill for casual riders. Here's the thing though, if you're commuting regularly or tackling varied terrains, that extra power and efficiency could make a world of difference. This is perfect for you if you're serious about your biking and need a robust conversion kit. Skip it if you're just looking for a leisurely ride, but for the functionality, it's well worth the investment. Now, if you want something lighter and simpler, the final product on our list has just that in mind. Product number 5, Kaxin Electric Bike Kit. Last but not least, we have another option from Kaxin, which is a different variant of their electric bike conversion kit priced at $169.99. This one's all about ease of installation and decent performance. If you want a straightforward solution, this is worth considering. This version also features a 1000W motor and includes a similar pedal assist sensor. The simplicity of the design means you can get on the road quickly, especially if you're not one for complicated setups. That said, some people have reported that the customer support could be better if you run into issues. But honestly, for the price and the ease of use, it's a minor inconvenience for most. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-install conversion kit without all the frills. Skip this if you want advanced features, but it's a great option for anyone wanting to electrify their bike without hassle. So to wrap things up, we've covered the Pexmo, Bafang, Kaxin, and Moch Aag electric bike conversion kits. Each has its unique strengths, from affordability to high performance. Depending on your specific needs, there's definitely a kit here for you. Make sure to pick one that aligns with your biking lifestyle.